Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks, part 2 of this page, go to page docker that I did last night. If you wanted to go to page 38, it'll go to page 38. Now, a viewer or subscriber reminded me. I knew about this, that I've actually got a video, but maybe not in this much detail. So starting in 2021 on CorelDraw, so what I'm doing, I'm getting ready for my class. I'm speaking at the expo in Las Vegas next month of 2024. And he reminded me, inside of Corel 2021, they started a Docker for pages. And what's neat about this, you can make it bigger. You could zoom in. You can go back to just one page at a time, or you can do here and see all your, you wouldn't want to have anything off your page, but you could see all your pages. There's 44 pages. But what's nice about this, you could actually scroll down and you could make more rows, make it, more like your size of your bed. You could have some spacing. Let's just see what this does. Yeah, it zooms it in, I guess. Let's try 5. That's pretty cool. But what it does do, you could just, if I'm looking for a particular page, especially the number and the name of the page, or even the graphic that's on the page, like right there, I know that that's the envelope tool. I can just go to that page, and there it is. Now I've got it set, so when I get back to when I want just that page, I'll just hit single page, and actually, I wouldn't X out of my Docker. I'm going to dock the Docker, and there's my page 12 that I'm going to show off the envelope tool. Anyway, hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.